Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the RK Royal Kludge RKS70, an ergonomic split mechanical keyboard that's been making waves. This keyboard aims to provide a more comfortable and natural typing experience, and we're here to see if it delivers. The RKS70 features a split design, which separates the keyboard into two halves, allowing your wrists and forearms to maintain a more neutral position. This can significantly reduce strain and fatigue, especially during long typing sessions. It also comes with a wrist rest, adding another layer of comfort and support. This keyboard offers versatile connectivity options, including wireless Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and a wired connection. This makes it easy to switch between devices and ensures a stable connection, no matter your setup. The RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable, allowing you to personalize the keyboard to match your style. The RKS70 uses hot-swappable linear silver switches. These switches are known for their fast response times and smooth keystrokes, making them ideal for gaming and fast typing. The hot-swappable design allows you to easily change the switches without soldering, giving you the freedom to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect feel for your needs. The 75% layout strikes a good balance between functionality and compactness. It includes all the essential keys while saving desk space. This layout is great for those who want a more streamlined setup without sacrificing important keys like the function row and arrow keys. The RKS70 is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or writer, this keyboard can adapt to your needs. In terms of build quality, the RKS70 feels solid and well-constructed. The keycaps are made of durable material, and the overall design is sleek and modern. The keyboard also has a good weight to it, which helps to keep it stable on your desk. Overall, the RK Royal Kludge RKS70 is a solid ergonomic split mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of features for its price. The split design, hot swappable switches, versatile connectivity, and customizable RGB lighting make it a great option for anyone looking to improve their typing experience and reduce strain. If you're in the market for an ergonomic keyboard, the RKS70 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.